In today's digital age, content marketing has become a crucial strategy for businesses looking to establish their authority and connect with their target audience. However, many marketers struggle to create compelling and shareable content that truly resonates with their audience. If you find yourself in this predicament, fear not. This article will provide you with practical tips and strategies to help you dominate your niche through captivating content. Understand your audience inside out. To create compelling content, it is essential to have a deep understanding of your target audience. Start by identifying their pain points, desires, and interests. What challenges do they face? What solutions are they seeking? By empathizing with your audience's emotional objectives, you can tailor your content to address their specific needs effectively. Craft unique rationale. One way to capture your readers' attention is by providing them with unique rationale for why they should read or engage with your content. Instead of simply stating the obvious benefits of reading your article or watching your video, offer something different. A fresh perspective or an unexpected insight that piques curiosity and compels them to consume more of what you have to offer. Develop a strong content strategy. A well-defined content strategy acts as the backbone of successful content marketing campaigns. It helps ensure consistency across all channels while aligning your efforts toward achieving specific goals. Start by setting clear objectives for each piece of content, whether it's driving traffic, generating leads, or increasing brand awareness. Then develop a roadmap outlining how you will achieve those objectives through various types of engaging content. Create engaging headlines. Your headline is the first impression readers have of your piece. Make it count. Use emotional triggers such as curiosity or urgency while incorporating relevant keywords that resonate within your niche market segment. A powerful headline can make all the difference in capturing your audience's attention and encouraging them to click through. Utilize visual content. Humans are visual creatures, and incorporating visually appealing elements into your content can significantly enhance its shareability. Use high-quality images, infographics, videos, or even interactive elements to make your content more engaging and memorable. Visuals not only break up text but also help convey complex information in a digestible format. Incorporate storytelling techniques. Storytelling is an age-old technique that captivates audiences by evoking emotions and creating a connection. Inject storytelling elements into your content to make it relatable and compelling. Share real-life examples, personal experiences, or customer success stories that resonate with readers on an emotional level. This will not only keep them engaged but also encourage sharing among their networks. Optimize for SEO. To dominate your niche effectively, you need to ensure that your content ranks well in search engine results pages, SERPs. Conduct thorough keyword research to identify the most relevant keywords within your niche and strategically incorporate them into your content, including headlines, subheadings, meta descriptions, and body text, without sacrificing readability or user experience. Leverage social media platforms. Social media platforms offer tremendous opportunities for amplifying the reach of your content marketing efforts. Identify the channels where your target audience is most active and tailor your approach accordingly. Whether it's through organic posts or paid advertising campaigns targeting specific demographics based on interests or behaviors. Encourage user-generated content, UGC. User-generated content is a powerful way to engage with customers while expanding the reach of your brand message organically. Encourage users to share their experiences with products, services related to your niche through reviews, testimonials, contests, or social media challenges, all of which can create a buzz around what you offer while building trust among potential customers. Conclusion. By implementing these strategies consistently over time while adapting to the ever-changing digital landscape, you can dominate your niche with compelling and shareable content. Remember, understanding your audience, crafting unique rationale, developing a strong content strategy, and optimizing for SEO are just a few key steps on the path to success. Embrace the power of storytelling and visuals while leveraging social media platforms and encouraging user-generated content, all of which will help you establish your authority in your niche market segment. With dedication and creativity, you'll be well on your way to content marketing mastery.